class. Hope all you are good at home. Today we are going to do our new book, that is Countdown, book 3. Of this book, we are going to start from page number 6. On page number 6, what we have to do, 4-digit numbers. Remember 1000. 4-digit means that it becomes 1000. What happens when Adil adds one more block to 999 blocks? He get 1000 blocks. How? Now you can see on the board, Adil had 9 hundreds, 9 tens, and 9 ones. These are hundreds: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are 900s, and how many tens are there? Also 9. So these lines means we have 9 tens and 9 ones. You can see these separate blocks are 9. So how many ones we have? 9. Now Adil, what Adil is doing here? He found one more block and added it to the others. He find one more block and now we want to add in it. He now had 10 ones which he changed into 110. He found he had 10 tens which he changed into 100. When he add 1 in ones, so 110. Now it becomes what? When we have 10 tens like this, it becomes what? 100. It becomes 100. When he add 100 in these 900, it becomes what? It becomes 1000. 10 hundreds or 10 blocks. Adil knew 1000 had a special name, but he just could not remember it. Tell his friends remember him. It is 1000. It is what? 1000. When we have 1000, it becomes what? 10,000. Now on page number
टीचर मेरे पास काउंटडाउन बुक नहीं है.
Now on page number 7, this is your page number 7. On this, what we have to do? Now what we have to do in this page, count and write, then draw beads on each abacus. What first we have to do? Count and write. First we have to count how many blocks are there. This tube shows that it has 1000 small boxes. 1000 small boxes, and this square shows that it has 100 small boxes. So I'm going to write it 1100. 1100. Now I have to draw this value on abacus, then draw beads on the abacus. So how I'm going to draw beads in this abacus? Now I'm going to see how many ones I have. Ones I have only 0, so I'm not going to draw any bead on this line. Now turn of tens. How many tens I have in this one? 0. So I don't draw any bead in this line. The second one is 100. How many hundreds I have? I have 100. So I draw a 1 bead. And now turn of 1000. How many thousands I have? I have 1000. So I draw one beat on this line. I'm going to do part B for you on the board. Look at the board and rest of the parts will be done by yourself. Now, on the B part is, you can see on the book, there are two cubes on it. In B part, there are two cubes. Two cubes means 2000. One cube means 1000. It shows that it is 1000 and this one is again 2000. Now it becomes what? How many I get? 2000. And this square shows that I have 100. How many 100 I have? 100. I have how many? 100. It becomes 2000 plus how many 100 I have? 100. I have 100 and how many tens I have? This straight line shows that it has 110. And how many tens I have here? 1 and 2. So if I add them, I get what? I get 2. So tens means how many zeros in a tens? 1 0. Now turn of units ones. In a ones, I don't have anything. So here I'm going to write 0. In the last, I get what? 0. If I add up all, what I get? 2120. 2120. Now I want to draw this value on a abacus. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, and this one is 1000. So how I am going to draw on the abacus? We have four values. Four values means it is 1000. Remember, it is 1000. Ones, tens, 100, and 1000. So, how many ones I have in this value? I have 0. I have 0 ones. So, I am not going to draw any bead in this line. Now turn off tens. How many tens I have? I have 2 tens. So I'm going to draw 2 beads on this line. Now turn off hundreds. How many hundreds I have in this value? 1. So I'm going to draw only 1 bead. Now turn off 1000. How many thousands I have in this line, in this number? 2. So I'm going to draw 2 beads in this line. So you have to do what? Page number 7. This is page number 7. You have to do this one page. Now come on the next page. What we are going to do on the next page? On the next page, we have to do what? 4-digit numbers and their names. In the following example, Sarah has written the names of 4-digit number. You can see they write the numbers, 4 numbers, and in a digit and also in a word. So they write, this one is, we know, on place of 1000, this is on place 100, this is 10, and this is 1. So it becomes what? 4008. 824. The next one is 5630. The next one is 8700. The next one is 3409. The next one is 2061. So on. Now come to the exercise, that is question number 1. Write the names of these numbers. Write the names of these numbers. I'm going to do this one for you on the board. Part A. Part A is in part A, what we have to do, they give a value 6, 7, 2, and the last one is 0. We are going to start from the right side. The first one is 1, 10, 100, and now the last one is 1000. So how we are going to write it? The first one is 6,000, 6,700, and 20. You have to do till each part like this. Simple is this. How many ones we have? 0. How many tens we have? 2. How many hundreds we have? 7. And how many thousands we have? 6. So 6,720 is the answer. You have to do, write your diary first. Homework. Do page number 7 and 8. That is your homework.